Welcome to Henderson Waves, a hidden gem in the heart of Singapore. This iconic pedestrian bridge is a true architectural marvel, standing gracefully amidst nature. Henderson Waves offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's the perfect place for a leisurely stroll. From here, you can soak in panoramic views of Singapore's skyline and lush treetops. It's a photographer's dream come true. The bridge's wooden planks and artistic details make it not only functional, but also a work of art. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Henderson Waves is a place to find tranquility in the midst of urban life. So, come and experience the beauty and serenity of Henderson Waves for yourself. It's a place where nature, architecture, and tranquility converge. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey to Henderson Waves. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing destinations like Henderson Waves, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates.